Welcome back, friends. And in a tricky situation, suppose you have put your mobile in silent mode and you have forgotten your mobile where you have placed it. This situation is very much difficult situation because if you try to ring your phone, it will not ring because it is in silent mode. Then how will you able to search your phone within your home also? So this video I am going to tell you very simple method by very quick time by which you can find your mobile if you have forgotten it in silent mode and you have misplaced it. So not wasting much of your time, if you like the video after watching this, please do consider to subscribe this channel. What you will do, just go to the Google and search Google Find My Device. As soon as you will go here, be you must have ensured that you log in with the same Google account you have used in your mobile. Then tap into here Google Find My Device. As soon as you will enter the Google ID and the password which you have used in your mobile, this screen will come. From here you can play sound. As soon as you will press it, what will happen? Your mobile will ring despite of it is in silent mode or vibration mode. In any mode it will ring, and if it is ringing, then you can go and find. So this is all what I wanted to tell you, how to find your phone if your phone is in silent mode and you have misplaced it into your homes. This is what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.